Welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys, or like teaching you guys, how I did these these Marley twists in my head. Like, I don't think I did a bad job for only like my second time, and excuse that like little piece in the back of my head. I took it out, I started taking it out, and I was like, nah, let me show them, let me make a video on how I did it. So yeah, but they just look like this. Edge midges, I didn't really do them, but oh well. Oh the fuck well. But yeah, guess I'll show you guys how long these are. Ugh. But before I do that, this is the hair that I used. It's probably backwards, but it's just regular Marley braiding hair. I don't know, I think it was like $5.99 or $4.99 a pack. I don't know, but I'll list everything like down below. Yeah, that's how long they are. I use six packs of the Marley hair. Was it 6? Yeah. Okay, so this style only took me maybe like 2 or 3 hours to do, which is super fast and easy, I guess. But I also use like the rubber band method, so that might have helped, I don't know. But I'm gonna show you both ways that I did them. Like for the front, I did the rubber band method, and the back, like the middle and like the rest of my head, I use like the regular method. You'll see what I'm talking about. So yes, I took out my twist or whatever, but I forgot to say, when you take out the hair, you see what I mean. But I use 3 strands for each of these twists in my head. But yeah, so it's like, I don't know if you can really see, it's like one here, you see those 3? So then yeah, so all you're gonna do, this is how you do the rubber band method. You take some hair, the rubber band's already on there, so I really don't feel like taking it off because I'm taking these right out after this video. But yeah, just take a piece of hair, hope you can see, Alex, and then you put it on, make like a little ponytail or whatever, just tighten it. Okay, that looks crazy. And then you just take your hair, right? I'm a really bad explainer, guys, so if you don't understand what I'm saying, just please watch. I swear if you watch, you'll understand. Okay, so you take your little ponytail, take your hair, and then you like put the ponytail in between this. You know what I'm saying? If you know how to braid, basically what I'm saying is just braid this and this together and then start twisting. That's it. Easy peasy. So yeah, so I hope you guys can see this. Please zoom in to me for you. If y'all see dandruff in my hair, just don't say nothing. Okay, so you got it like this. Like, this is the ponytail, you see, this is my hair, and then this is the Marley hair. And then you just braid regularly. Make sure like you like go like this to make sure it's like really tight. And then normally I just braid maybe 3 or 4 times. I really don't know. This is loose, but it doesn't matter. You get what I'm saying. So then once you do that, you can split like your real hair into 2, which I didn't do. I just like push it to the side. Push it to the side like that, and then you just start twisting all the way down. Twist, 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 twist. And this is mad zoomed in my face, so if you see like all the acne marks and stuff, my face has been going through it, y'all. Through it. Like, I've had like 5 pimples in the last 2 weeks. I don't get pimples, but yeah. Okay, just keep twisting, 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 twisting. 22. And that's it. See? Oh, nothing to it. So I'm going to show you guys one more time doing like the regular way, in case you don't have rubber band, you really, you know, gotcha. So I gotcha. I'm about to put you onto some fire. If you know about this song, then good for you. But like, I love this song right here. I swear to God. I'm trying to get copyright.
And I'll get the fuck out my face. I don't care about no friends because they always just.
Okay, take this up a hand. Y'all, my hair is so moisturized though. Let's not this. Okay, so this is in case you don't have rubber bands, or I don't know, whatever. Show you the regular way. Well, not the regular way, but the regular way of doing like the braid twist method. I don't know what it's called, but just go with it. So you got your hair. You got this. Oh, ooh, y'all see that build up? Ignore that. But take your Marley hair. I'm blabbering. Take your Marley hair. Take your hair. See? See, I'm making like a, I don't even know what the hell it's called. Whatever the hell it's called. Take your hair. Go like this. Twist it around. See how tight it is? And then just braid. Oh, dun, dun, dun. And then you can split it, or you can not. I'm not gonna do that. You can also add like jewels to your whatever. I just didn't feel like doing that because I know I was not keeping these long. I've only had these in my hair for like maybe not even 2 weeks. They look reckless because your girl is not wrapping her hair every night. Like, who has time to sleep on a bonnet? Like, sleep with a bonnet on my head. Like, I don't know about y'all, but like, I can't sleep with a scarf on my head, a bonnet. I feel like my head is suffocating. I don't know. But yeah, so twist, 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 twist. And then you can dip these. I didn't dip these because I'm an idiot and I just didn't have time when I did it. Like, I had time, but like, you know, you finish your hair and you're just like, I'm done. That was me. But yeah, twist, 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 twist. Oof. Okay. And there you have it. Easily pleasing alignment. Ooh. I couldn't tell me there was something on my face this whole time. Yeah, fake as hell. But yeah, quick, simple, easy. But if you guys like this video, please, like, comment, tell me that you like this video so I can keep doing your videos, because like, I don't know what you guys want to see.